Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you 3 healthy dessert recipes. So I have used 1 avocado, you can use 2 if you want to make more of the mixture, 80% dark chocolate, I used 4 squares which you would need to melt in the microwave, a tablespoon of cacao powder, a tablespoon of agave sweetener or honey, and then all you need to do is just pop that into a blender so it's all combined and turns into a good chocolate mess. I used a very rubbish blender for this. It's better if you've got a bigger one, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, all combined, lovely jubbly, and then you just need to find a pot, ramekin jar, whatever you want. Stick it in the fridge for about an hour and then it turns into this really delicious like truffle-like mousse, and you cannot tell it's from an avocado. So this recipe is quite versatile. I used wholemeal digestive biscuits, so it's kind of like a cheesecake. So you just crush it at the bottom and then I topped it with banana, and then the same mixture dolloped on top. You can actually add half a banana to the same mixture I showed you previous, and look at that. That just looks delicious. It's very filling, but it's such a delicious dessert and you are getting a lot of health benefits from it, so guilt-free. So the next recipe is quinoa bars, or whatever you want to do with them. So you need 1 cup of oats, half a cup of quinoa, and you need to have a tablespoon of honey, and you just put that in a saucepan, combine it all together, and then you can add any ingredients into it to make it a little bit more delicious. So I added raisins and nuts. You can add chocolate chips, you can do what you want with this, and then you just need to cook it on a very low heat just so it all kind of meshes together. Once you've done that, you need to find a tray and combine it all onto the tray, making it all flat so it's all the same size. And then you need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then it will be all crispy and crunchy. So you can eat these as bars for work, or you can top it on top of yogurt or whatever you want. It's very versatile and it's really delicious. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's just quick, simple recipes which are also vegan. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.